Today is the 10th day of trying to improve my communication skills. So today, I want to see my progress from day 1 up to this day. So let's do this. First of all, I will tell about my day. Today, after my work, we went for a walk around the neighborhood to buy food, and also my day is really tiring at my work. It was so very hectic schedule, so many support. I am IT support, so, and also these practices, like improving my communication skills and my confidence, is part of my goal to become a better IT staff, and also to become better of myself. So in every area of our life, there's a need to improve, not to become stagnant, like at our career, our health. We have so many opportunities to become more, and we just need to achieve it, and to have conviction. Yes. So we will gonna help ourselves to become better man, to become a better person. So see you again.